Let's talk about Netflix, Pete. Earnings tomorrow.
Yeah.
Netflix is up 15% year to date. I was doing a little hit over with Bloomberg Canada, Pete, where I was the co-host, they said, for half an hour today. And I was on with Amber, was the anchor's name. And I was telling Amber that, you know what? Disney and Netflix are lockstep like this. I mean, literally, they're both up 15%, Pete, year to date. Both have had some volatility, but Paramount's the big winner. Paramount's up double what these two are up. So the question is, you know, with the straddle, the at the money calls and puts, we normally show a sign that looks like that, like a straddle. That's 9%. Do you think Netflix is going to move that much, Pete?
I think they certainly could, John. I mean, we've seen some big moves in the past. It all really just depends on how different these earnings really do hit compared to what everybody's expecting right now. I think when they look at the revenue, we expect the revenue to be up a little bit, 3-4%, whatever it is. But what will they really do with the earnings? And I think that's going to be a very critical number. Let's not forget, though, this isn't a stock like Netflix once was, John, several years ago, where it's a high PE stock. Everybody's very nervous. This is a stock where they've got unbelievable free cash flow. Their PE level is actually very, very tolerable considering all. Their creative is all get out. They continue to release very, very interesting. Every once in a while, there's a dud, of course, but most of the time, I think they release some pretty good stuff. Paramount probably is outdueling both them and Disney because of the fact that they actually have traded so inexpensively that when you look at the PE of a Paramount, that I think maybe that's part of what people are looking for is a little less risk at times. And you know what? We've had a risky first couple of months of the year where people have been running all over the place. So I expect there to be a pretty good number tomorrow, John. Will they get a number that'll be good enough to push them up 9%? Maybe, but they're already up, as you just mentioned. What is it, 15% so far year to date? So it's had a big run. If they can do something really big, though, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see people start reeling and starting to go after this stock in a big way.
Well, and one thing I'll say about it, Pete, and again, I mentioned this up to Bloomberg Canada, was you've got Disney, but that's not a pure play.
Right.
Yeah, they put all their content out on Disney Plus, and they're withholding it from the other streamers, but their ESPN, their theme parks and all that. Then you look at, Paramount and Warner Brothers, they don't put anybody else's content on there.
Right.
So, you've got the pure play, which is Paramount and Warner Brothers. Then you've got the hybrid, which is Netflix in the middle. And, I guess Disney, but again, Disney's nowhere near a pure play. So just keep that in mind, folks, when you're trading this one.
Want more from Market Rebellion? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And learn more about options trading at marketrebellion.com.